Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to add fireworks animation to an image in PhotoDirector 365. So here is an example of fireworks animation that I added to a still image. So let me show you how to do this in PhotoDirector 365. In the new version of PhotoDirector 365, you'll see these two options when you open the app. Click on the Edit option, and it'll open PhotoDirector in guided mode. So first we need to import the image. You can drag and drop it in this section. I'll click this Add Photo button, which is what I'm going to do. And next, navigate to your folder, choose your image, and then click Open. So here is the image that I'm going to use. Like I said, I'm in the guided section of PhotoDirector. In this left side panel, drop down Decorations, and then choose Stickers. Let me close this section by clicking here. And you'll see many different sections of stickers here. Let me scroll down and then click on the Special Effects Sticker Pack Volume 2. You'll see the preview of the animations, and then I'll just scroll down to the bottom and you'll see these 3 animated fireworks stickers here. I'll click on the first one, and then I'll drag and drop it on the image and use these handles to resize it and then reposition it like so. And next I'll use the bottom fireworks sticker and then again place it in the middle of the image. I'll resize it and then reposition it just like I did before. Finally, I'll place another one on the right side of the image, and similarly I'll just resize it and then reposition it to the right of the image. Down below in the Settings section, in the left side panel, you can control the opacity of the fireworks using the slider. You can also use the Rotate and Flip options. You can control the layers to bring it forward and set it back, as well as control the speed of the animation with the slider. And then once you're happy with the animation, you can export it. To do so, click on this Export button at the top. You can choose a photo file or a video or GIF file. I'll go with the video option. You'll see this dialog box pop up. Choose a folder to save the file in. Give it a file name. Choose a file format. I'll go with the default MP4 format. Here you can adjust the video resolution. I'll stick with the 1920 by 1080p. You can use the slider to control the duration of the video. I'll go with 18 seconds, and then I'll click Produce. It will then render the MP4 video with the fireworks animation. This can take a few seconds depending on how many animations you add, and then you'll get a confirmation once the export is completed. But that's pretty much it. And here's how the fireworks animation came out.